In this video I'll show you how to find the recycle or the trash bin on an Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is scroll along until you see File Manager. Now at the bottom of my phone I'm using an Oppo. This section just says recently deleted. Yours may say recycle bin or trash. But if you click on that and open it up, the most recent things that you've deleted will be in there. And then if you click on the buttons in the right corner, you can edit them or sort them. You can add them back, remove them from the trash and add them back into your gallery, into your photos. At the bottom it says deleted files are retained for 30 days before they're permanently deleted, but if you want to permanently delete them, simply press and hold, and now at the bottom you can see it says delete permanently or recover, but I'm going to press delete permanently, confirm the delete permanently, and there you can see the image is gone. But that is how you find the recycle bin or the trash bin on your Android phone.